There's a certain feeling you get when you have the right tool for the job. A type of sureness, firm enough to stand on. We call it preparation. The Etekcity digital tire gauge inflator and deflator is a high-caliber tool that prepares you for any tire maintenance situation. Featuring heavy-duty brass chucks that lock onto any type of tire, an NPT steel air compressor connector, the high-quality rubber casting provides maximum durability, making the tire gauge shockproof. The large backlit LCD display ensures maximum visibility in any lighting. To use it, first attach the brass air chuck to the tire valve. The tire gauge measures up to 250 psi. Tap the unit button to seamlessly change between psi, bar, kilopascals, and kilogram per centimeter squared. To deflate your tire, use the air bleed button to conveniently release air in controlled intervals. To inflate your tire, you'll need to first attach an air compressor. Next, pull the inflation trigger and add air until the tire gauge reads your ideal psi. Once you've finished and 30 seconds have passed, the auto shutoff feature will kick in, preserving maximum battery life. With Etekcity's digital tire gauge, inflator, and deflator, you'll never worry about having the right tool for the job again. Etekcity, building on better living.